Good afternoon, sir. My name is Cabalis Aljibin. This time I will discuss provision system in the Philippines. Number 1, full-blown courtesy investigation or partial courtesy investigation. A full-blown courtesy investigation involves a comprehensive and thorough examination of particular matter or situation. Karaniwang isinasagawa bilang isang pagpapakita ng kagandahang loob upang tiyakin ang katarungan at transparency. Number 2, mandatory condition of provision. A mandatory condition of provision is a requirement imposed by court nga ang usa ka tawo sa provision kinahanglan sundon ingon nga bahin sa iyang mga probasyonaryo. Mga termino. These conditions are non-negotiable and just be met for the individual to remain in compliance with their provision order. And number 3, outside travel and change of residence during provision. During provision, restriction on outside travel and change of residence may be imposed as part of the provisionary condition. Number 4, period of provision. The period of provision refers to the duration during the an individual is placed under provisionary supervision by the court or relevant authorities. And number 5, effect of revocation of provision. The revocation of provision occurs when a provisioner fails to comply with the terms and conditions of their provision, and as a result their provision start is terminated, and they may be subject to imprisonment or other penalties. And number 6, what is early termination and ground for termination for provision? Early termination of provision refers to the ending of the provisionary period before its schedule. Ang mga dahilan para sa pagkatapos nito. Ground for termination of provision can vary depending on the jurisdiction and individual circumstances. And number 7, what is violation of provision of provision condition? Ang paglabag sa kondisyon ng probasyon at nangyari kapag ang isang probasyonado ay hindi sumusunod sa mga tuntunin at kondisyon ng kanilang probasyon. This can result in consequence such as the addiction of new provision condition, extension of provision period, and revocation of provision and enforcement of the original court sentence. And lastly, number 8, voluntary provision aids. Voluntary provision aids are individual who provide voluntary assistance and support to provisional in their rehabilitation and change process. Ang kanilang mga gawain ay aralin